Hello, my name is Jacob Parsons, and I'm in India right now with my uncle Ernie Parsons, and I came here as his medical attendant, as he was to have spine surgery here, and it's been quite the experience. We flew 24 hours to get here, jet lag, and we arrived at the hospital very tired and confused with all the craziness of Mumbai. A little bit worried, of course, about a big surgery for my uncle, and trying to look after him. And anyway, so the doctor showed up the next day, and we discussed what they were going to do, and they sort of made a last minute change that we discussed with him. And but I felt that the doctor knew what he was talking about, and he explained it very plainly in regards that he would need an artificial disc replacement as opposed to the microdiscectomy that we had planned upon. So anyways, went ahead with the surgery. The day of the surgery, the doctor came to get me, said we were going to start the surgery, and 2.5 hours later, he came back down and said the surgery completed and it was very successful, and he showed me pictures on his phone of the new artificial disc that he had placed in my uncle's neck. And looked good. I said, wow, that looks really good, and I thanked him. And then they brought Ernie down a couple hours later, and of course he was out of it on anesthesia, which was humorous for me to see him there. And he had a big smile on his face, and I was like, wow, I guess you're feeling no pain. So anyways, that was a good day, and he really relaxed. And it was interesting just to see all the different culture, right? All these nurses came in, and it was really nice. Indian people are really friendly. Like I felt like they were there to look after us, and
Yeah, that's true.
they had really interesting personalities. Each one was unique, and it was a good time. And then my first day there, actually, I went outside the hospital, and it's in a really densely packed area of Mumbai. And it just blew my mind. Like I had about 3 hours sleep at this point, and I'd walk up the street and you'd see a sacred cow. The next thing it would be a photocopier repair shop, and then the next place would be an aluminum extruding company. So anyways, there was a panwala, which I had read about on the internet, and I was kind of excited to try that. And then what else did I see? It was just crazy. I walked around and I was just looking for a cup of coffee, which I couldn't find, but everyone was selling tea everywhere. And I was like, man, I wish this was coffee, because the tea smelled weird to me for some reason. Really spicy, and the milk, and I was like, oh, I can't stomach that. And anyways, so as I walked around, I kind of decided I probably needed a beer or something to relax, because I was stressed out from traveling, and couldn't find that either. And every store I looked in, I thought it was something different. I'm like, oh, what's he selling there? And I'd look and it'd be it's a pharmacy. And then I'd walk in, they're selling jewelry. Where's the beer? Really hard to find beer around here. But anyways, what else happened? So then I got, the next day I decided to walk a little further because I was feeling more comfortable. I felt safe the whole time. People were just basically ignoring me for the most part. And I walked down the road, and I look down and I see feces, and I'm like, what is that? It's not dog feces because it's too large. And I'm like, I was like, I think that's human feces, right? And I'm like, oh my God, it is. Okay. So anyways, in conclusion, I was really happy with my uncle's surgery. The hospital was great. The doctor was excellent. I had great confidence in him. And my uncle's starting to recover now, and
The food was good too.
the food was excellent. And he's just coming around, and yeah, I'd recommend it. If you're someone that's in pain and you can't not getting help where you are, and you need help, I mean, you got nothing to lose to contact these guys and see what they can do for you. And if it fits your budget, man, check it out.